Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basic. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to sign up for Marvel Snap on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Make sure that you've downloaded the Marvel Snap application on your Android device and tap on it to open the app. Wait until the game loads and agree to the necessary permissions for the app by tapping accept. Now, you can start the game by tapping on the play game button.
If you want to get started with the game for the first time, you can link with your Google account and get started. Tap on sign in with Google at the bottom and then choose your Google account to get started. Follow through the prompts. If necessary, go ahead and enter your Google account's credentials and you'll be able to create a new account for Marvel Snap. Go ahead and start up with a match and you'll be able to sign up for the game.
You'll need to go ahead and finish some of the matches, and after you finish the match, you'll get this option to enter a name for yourself. Go ahead and type in the name you'd like to use, or if you want to choose a pre-made name, tap on make me one. Or if you want to make the game to name you, simply tap on make me one and it'll automatically generate names for you. Go ahead and choose a name and tap confirm. After you create a name for yourself, it'll now take you to a little tutorial. Go ahead and follow the prompts till the end in order to learn how to play the game. After you are done with the game, you can collect rewards and earn points, claim your rewards, and much more. That is how you can easily sign up and start up with Marvel Snap. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.